Hey everyone, I just thought I'd take a minute and give you a little bit of the background story on how I invented our magnetic tool belt. So it all happened quite a few years ago now. I had always used a tool belt because I was really frustrated always trying to get to a trolley. So that's not something new to me, but I always found that they were never quite long enough to be able to put my hairspray, my brushes, and then maybe your styling needle if you're using one, or another can of texture spray. So I wanted it to be like, most of them really were probably about a good 1.5 inches shorter. So I decided that wouldn't it be great if I could have a longer one? So I then went to my table and I sketched something out and I made it up in some calico and then sort of pretended I was wearing it. And while I was playing around with it, I actually had, for quite a long time now, I've had my magnetic wristband, which has just been a game changer. There's a story behind that one, but I won't tell you about that now. But I had my magnetic wristband here and I thought, oh my God, wouldn't it be amazing if, because sometimes there's things on my wristband that I don't need, so I was reaching over to a trolley all the time, and I thought, I don't want the trolley as much as possible. I don't want the trolley. And there are times, I think you'll agree, when we can't have a trolley. So I thought, oh my God, wouldn't it be great if I could actually add a magnetic strip on there? So that was where it all sort of started. We then went on holidays to Bali and I had a great time, because what I did was, instead of when everyone was getting handbags made, I went back and forth every day over to the bag maker and tweaked my styling belt until I was really, really happy with it. So when we got home from Bali, I had my sample, and then the hard bit actually started from there. And that was because I had to find a company that actually could produce really high quality. I mean, Bali was quality, but I wanted high quality. So, and then we were really, really happy to see that we could find somebody that I'm proud to say that right to this day, we've actually been working with a family business that do manufacture our styling belts. So this was the original one, and we still have the original, which I'm really pleased to say. But now what we've done is they've evolved. We've got them in 3 colors. We've got them in tan leather. We've got them in natural leather, like the black. And we've got them in vegan, which is the rose gold. But now we've added some scissor pouch to it as well. So it becomes not just a styling belt, it actually can just become the whole salon belt, really. So there's enough for 3 of them in there. But I really just wanted to take the time to actually share with you the story behind it, because it is exciting to come up with an idea and then how to produce it. And it does take a long time. And I'm a real lover of that type of thing. So I always believe you should never copy. You should always try and be unique and find different things, find the problem, solve the problem. And I hope you love my styling belt, because I have loved putting it together. See you soon.